My mother was a proud, proud woman, a proud woman and a bold. She hired me to Queen Mary's bower, oh, and scarce 11 years old. Queen Mary's bread, it was so sweet, and her wine, it was so fine, that I have lain in a young man's arms, and rued it aye since syne. Words gone up and words gone down, and words gone room to room, that Mary Hamilton was with child, and nobody knew to whom. Then in and came the Queen herself, with the gold plate in her hair. Oh, where is the wee, wee babe that I heard crying so sair? There is no babe within my bower, and I hope there ne'er shall be, but it's me with a sore and a sick colic, and I'm just like to die. They sought the bed both up and down, from the pillow to the straw, and there they found the bonny lad babe, but his life it was a wa'. Rise up, Mary Hamilton, rise up and dress ye fine, for ye must go to Edinburgh to stand before the nine. Ye'll no put on the dowie black, nor yet the dowie brown, but you'll put on your red, red silk to shine through Edinburgh town. Yestreen the Queen had 4 Marys, this night she'll have but 3. There was Mary Seaton and Mary Beaton, and Mary Carmichael and me. Ye mariners both far and near, that sail beyond the foam, oh, dinna let my father and mother know, but that I'm coming home. Yestreen the Queen had 4 Marys, this night she has but 3. For the bonniest Mary among them all was hanged upon a tree.